Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix weak signal and boost network strength on Honor 600 Pro. First, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the network connection. Swipe from the right side, tap the airplane mode, then tap it back off. Restarts everything. After that, move to an area with better coverage. If you're in an area with bad coverage, you need to move to a better area because your signal may not be strong enough. That's basically why your signal is weak. You're too far from the cell tower. Make sure you are close to it or in a good area. Next, go into Settings and tap on Mobile Network. Then click on Mobile Data. Here you have Wi-Fi calling. Enable it and set calling preference to Wi-Fi preferred. After that, reset the network settings in System and Updates at the bottom. Click on Reset, then reset network settings, confirm it's you, click Next, and tap the red button at the bottom. Once you see confirmation, go back to Mobile Data. Go to Mobile Network and click Mobile Data. If you have preferred network mode, I recommend switching between 4G and 5G. There might be coverage issues, and it will pull the best one. Switching to one gives LTE, and switching to the other gives 5G. I recommend using the second option if the first is bad, and the first if the second is bad. As a last resort, contact your carrier to check for outages in your area. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.